what is it that you therefore believe you would be wanting to make principal parts of your portfolio? What themes then stand out within all the constructs that you laid out?
See, my sense is that this is the time to have more of a balanced portfolio. But having said that, where are the corrections or where are the opportunities? I think there has been very good performance by banks and financial services, whether it's some of the NBFCs and some of the banks, and they have corrected also, or some of them are quoting at what they were quoting, say, in September. And constantly, quarter on quarter, numbers are very, very positive. Problem is that's an overowned sector. But despite having being in the overowned sector, I would still say that if you have the space to buy more, you should look to buy into the banks. Another segment which we are very bullish on is the whole capital goods sector across the chain. Depending on my judgment is that capex cycle, if you speak to corporates, etc., nobody is going to change their growth plan just because the markets have corrected by 10% or whatever. Balance sheets are very robust and they see a lot of opportunities because of China plus one, exports, domestic manufacturing, etc. So my capital goods segment is one segment which should deliver very good returns. And the third where we are very bullish on is the whole automobile sector. I think that business has not delivered to its potential now for almost 5-6 years.
5 years, yeah.
They are consumers of metals. Demand is robust in some of the passenger vehicle segment, in two-wheelers and commercial vehicles. So selectively, we are very, very positive on the automobile, some of the automobile companies. So that's one where you put incremental money to play. IT would be very, very opportunistic and more from a trade perspective, but otherwise I'll be very, very wary of investing in IT.
Yeah, and we've seen 2 large announcements for capex from the auto majors as well, both Maruti and Tamo. So in that sense, it's pretty interesting too. But this was lovely. Thank you for laying it out, the construct in much simpler terms. I'm sure this is very useful for everybody who's listening this, certainly for me. So thank you so much for that. And thanks so much for talking to us today.